Looking for an affordable laptop that combines AI features, productivity tools, and everyday performance? This HP Ultrabook with Copilot AI is designed for students, professionals, and casual users who want a simple, ready-to-go setup. At its core, it features an Intel processor with 8GB RAM, delivering smooth performance for daily tasks like web browsing, office work, video streaming, and light multitasking. It's not built for heavy gaming or intensive editing, but for everyday use, it gets the job done reliably. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in Copilot AI integration, helping you write, summarize, and manage tasks faster directly within Windows. Combined with Microsoft Office 365, you're ready for productivity right out of the box. No extra setup needed. Storage is marketed as 1.2 terabytes, but here's the key detail. It's a combination of 192 gigabytes SSD, local storage, plus 1 terabyte cloud storage via OneDrive. This gives you flexibility, but it's important to understand that most of the storage is cloud-based, not physically inside the laptop. The design is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry for school, office, or travel. You also get a webcam, Wi-Fi connectivity, and long battery life, making it a solid choice for online classes, meetings, or remote work. In real-world use, it's best suited for students and basic office work, online meetings and content consumption, light multitasking and everyday computing. However, keep expectations realistic. This is a budget Ultrabook, so performance, display quality, and upgrade options are limited compared to premium laptops. If you want a simple, affordable laptop with AI features, Office included, and flexible cloud storage, this HP Ultrabook is a practical choice for everyday productivity. Click the link below for the best price and get started with a smart, AI-powered laptop today.